In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly switch Binance charts to Candlestick view. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, I'll guide you through it step by step so you can have a better trading experience. Let's begin by focusing on the desktop version, either through the Binance website or the app. First, make sure you navigate to the Binance trading interface. If you're not there already, log into your account and find your way to the trading dashboard where you typically monitor your trading activities. Once you've located your chart area, keep your eyes peeled for the chart type menu. This is usually positioned near the top left corner or within the upper toolbar of the chart itself. Now, here is the simple yet crucial part. You'll want to click on that chart type menu. Most often, you'll see it marked with a small drop-down arrow or an icon. Once you open this menu, you'll see different options available. Among these, you'll find Candlestick, or it might just be labeled as Candle for short. Click on this option to seamlessly switch from the line graph that's typically set as the default. This will transform your chart into the detailed Candlestick view that's widely used by traders for its insightful analytical potentials. It's also worth mentioning that having the Candlestick view can significantly enhance your ability to interpret market movements. This view allows you to see open, close, high, and low prices for your selected time frame, which is incredibly valuable for making informed trading decisions. Now, let's move on to those of you who prefer using a mobile device for trading on Binance. If you're on your phone, the process is just as straightforward. Start by opening up your Binance app. You'll then need to head over to the trading interface, which may look slightly different depending on whether you're using an Android or iOS device. However, don't worry, as the general steps remain the same. Once you're in the trading area, locate the chart displayed on your screen. Just like on the desktop, you'll want to find the chart type menu. On mobile, this is often found directly above the chart or within an easily accessible menu icon, usually situated at a corner of your screen. Open the chart type menu and scan for the Candlestick or Candle option. Once selected, your chart will switch from a simple line graph to the dynamic Candlestick view. This provides a richer context of the market happenings right at your fingertips. Remember, whether you're on a desktop or a mobile device, the transition to a Candlestick chart helps illuminate market trends and gives you a comprehensive snapshot of price actions. Keep exploring these tools and tips to enhance your trading techniques. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.